when we completed it and they had the prayer meeting the first day, I was very impressed how everybody, facility and students, all got together in that room. We're enjoying the space and we're using it like just an everyday space. They were just taking care of it, they were looking around, they were really smiled on everybody. It was really impressive.
I mean, thinking back, I think overall was the project team, you know, right from everybody at BU, Dean Moore, Kevin Keith, Jeff Hoseth, the architect, everybody worked so well together that no matter what bumps we came across, everything went so smoothly. It was just a very enjoyable project from start to finish.
I agree. Yeah, it's a great team.
I would say I'm probably most proud of the overall reaction we got from faculty, staff, alumni, students, everyone that's used the space. It's really a testament to the design team and the construction team and all of us that really worked on it. Since we've had time to kind of live into the space and use it, we've had some events, we've had some community lunches, and to hear people talk about, you know, this is a space we've never had before. We can utilize it in ways we never dreamed we could previously, and now that we have it, we can.
The makeup air system brings in fresh air into the space that we did. It's the only space in the entire building that has free makeup air coming in through the system. Each heat pump will pump in fresh air when it's calling for it. You have 3 heat pumps in the system. 2 in that space and 1 for the office spaces. And yeah, it's just a great, great feature to have.
Yeah, and I think a big piece of that too is if you could go back to see what it looked like before we came in and completely gutted it and tore it down. I mean, it just doesn't feel like we're in a basement right now, where before it was very clear that we were. But sustainability-wise, I mean, there was a lot of challenges, but overall, I mean, we take a lot of pride in all of the sustainable features that we really carry through on any of our projects. We recycled over 90% of all of the debris that we took out of here, which is it's really a magnificent number, you know. So you can point to all the features in this space, and there's a piece of that, whether it's the material, the doors that came in that were all, you know, within 500 miles, locally grown. It's the feel in here that it no longer feels like a basement, you know.
I don't know if I'd highlight one specific feature, more kind of the focus of sustainability in pretty much all the decisions we made. The bathrooms are all, bathroom fixtures are low usage, and we're thinking that's going to save upwards of 45% of our water usage for the space. The lights are LED as opposed to conventional. We're thinking that's going to save about 35% in energy costs. Glue, adhesives, paint, all of that stuff is low VOC. The flooring, ceiling tiles, the furniture, all the sheetrock for all the walls that we put up, all recycled content. So I think that kind of that determined focus of we want to make this as sustainable and as green as possible would probably be worth highlighting.
I know my challenges are going to probably be similar to yours because they were really your challenges, Leo. But
well, one of them was keeping that ceiling height so that those lights would all work in the seminar room.
Sure.
Because we had to keep the ceiling up high because we had all ductwork. We had existing beams, so we had to re-coordinate with the engineers. Everybody was working as a team to accomplish that, and we made it happen.
Yeah, there was some other logistically there were pieces to the project just from a construction side that were challenging for us. I mean, for one, we were in an area where we're right next to the only elevators in the building. This was the only handicap access throughout the entire building. So even though we had completely taken apart this entire space, we needed to maintain a safe egress and pathway for anybody to pass through at any time. And the other piece of it too is it's a tough location, so every delivery, every piece of material that was brought in here and every piece of material that was taken out of here, debris-wise, was all coordinated at 4:30 in the morning on the side of the road because we didn't have the ability to drop a dumpster or pull a truck up in the back of the building. Everything was right on the side of the road.
I think personally for me the biggest challenge is probably we tried to get everyone involved, whether it was faculty, staff, students, other offices from the university. We tried to gather all their input. We wanted everyone involved. We wanted everyone to have some say in some way, shape, or form. So to kind of gather all of that information, bring it together, and then for Dean Moore and I to sit down and really make those difficult, we know we're not going to please everybody decisions but to still kind of have that faith that the decisions we're making are the right ones, and the space is going to come out beautiful and everyone's going to love it.